Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Thinking about retirement savings. A Roth IRA could be a fantastic choice for you. It's a special type of individual retirement account where your money grows completely tax-free. You contribute funds that have already been taxed, so when you withdraw them in retirement, you don't pay a single cent in taxes on your gains. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for building wealth over the long run, especially if you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket later in life. Not everyone can directly contribute to a Roth IRA, as there are a couple of key requirements. First, you need to have earned income from a job or self-employment. Second, there are annual income limits that determine if you're eligible for direct contributions. These limits can change each year, so it's always a good idea to check the latest figures on the IRS website or speak with a financial professional to ensure you qualify. Once you know you're eligible, the next step is choosing where to open your account. You'll need to select a brokerage firm or financial institution to hold your Roth IRA. Many well-known names like Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, or even newer platforms like M1 Finance offer Roth IRAs. When making your choice, think about their fees, the range of investment options they provide, and how easy their platform is to use. Find one that fits your comfort level and investment goals. Now for the fun part, funding your Roth IRA. Each year, the IRS sets specific limits on how much you can contribute, and these can vary based on your age. You can typically transfer funds from a checking or savings account, send a check, or even perform a rollover from another retirement account, if applicable. The most important thing is to contribute regularly, even if you start with small amounts. Consistent contributions really add up over time. Depositing money into your Roth IRA is just the first part of the funding process. You then need to actually invest those contributions. Your Roth IRA isn't just a savings account, it's a vehicle for investing. You can choose from a wide range of assets, including individual stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. The key is to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your personal risk tolerance and your long-term financial goals, setting you up for future success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.